Since 2021, more than 1,500 small businesses across the country have accessed a portion of a $15 million funding pool. This is the Verizon Small Business Digital Ready Grant, a joint initiative with the nonprofit LISC. Most federal or private grants require a 40-hour commitment to research and drafting. This specific application is designed to be completed in less than 30 minutes. Because the time cost to apply is so low, you are entering a high-volume competition where thousands of applicants are vying for a limited number of spots. Success here requires a specific strategy to manage the odds. Your eligibility depends on 3 non-negotiable points. You must be at least 18 years old, your business must be for profit, and you must be based in the U.S., Puerto Rico, or the U.S. Virgin Islands. While many grants support community initiatives, this program strictly excludes nonprofit organizations.
This video contains affiliate links. I have a relationship with the brands in this video and earn a referral fee when you shop through the links in the description below. Before we dive into securing major business grants and funding, let's talk about your foundation. You absolutely cannot win grants or build serious business credit without a properly structured legal entity. Most people try to apply for funding as a sole proprietor, or they cut corners on their setup. And that is exactly why their applications get instantly rejected. Funding institutions and grant committees require your business to be a legitimate, separate legal entity. That's where BZ comes in. BZ is the absolute best formation service out there, handling your entire LLC or corporation setup for $0 plus state fees. They take care of your articles of organization, registered agent service. You need to establish that legal separation and look credible to lenders. Once your legal foundation is set, you need a strategic partner to actually track down and win that capital. That's where HelloSkip comes in. HelloSkip is an incredible AI-powered platform built specifically to help you discover, apply for, and secure funding. They give you access to a massive database of active grants, and even award their own capital, including weekly $1,000 instant grants and recurring $10,000 merit-based grants. Plus, their platform provides tailored, specific guidance to optimize your applications and drastically increase your chances of winning. Having a clean legal structure and an automated funding tool is non-negotiable if you want to scale. I've linked my full, in-depth reviews of both BZ and HelloSkip in the description below. Make sure to use my links in the description to register your company with BZ and sign up for HelloSkip today to unlock exclusive discounts, tools, and perks.
To begin, you have to register for a free profile on the Verizon Digital Ready portal. These minimal entry requirements are exactly what create the massive, highly competitive pool of candidates you will be measured against. You cannot access the application immediately after signing up. The form is locked by default. To unlock it, you must complete any combination of 2 online courses, live coaching sessions, or community events. If you attend an in-person event, you must scan the on-site QR code to receive credit toward your application. Traditional funding models prioritize financial history. This program requires you to invest time in business education before you are permitted to request capital. This structure ensures you receive value from the platform regardless of whether your business is selected for a grant. By approaching the mandatory courses as the primary return on your time, you protect your schedule against the mathematical difficulty of winning the cash. Gather your W-9, your annual revenue figures, and your employee count before you open the application. Use the Google Chrome browser for the submission. The portal is technically optimized for it, and other browsers may cause errors. The application portal does not save your progress. You must finish the entire form in one sitting. If you lose your internet connection or navigate away from the page, your data will be cleared and you will have to start over. Once you successfully submit, your application remains active for the rest of the year. LISC reviews the pool once a month from June through December. Every month, the program selects exactly 10 small businesses from across the country to receive the $10,000 award. The application process is fast, but the lack of an autosave feature and the monthly selection limits make it a volatile process that requires precision. Because of the high volume of candidates, LISC uses a 3-stage automated funnel to narrow the field. The first stage is an anonymous drawing, randomizing the pool so every applicant starts with equal opportunity. The remaining candidates are processed by an algorithm balancing grants across geographic regions and industries. Finally, priority is given to businesses in under-resourced communities. The final 10 businesses undergo a background check to confirm they are in good legal standing, but this process does not include a credit score poll. Since the selection process relies on randomization and demographic balancing, the final outcome is largely outside of your direct control. This grant requires no post-award reporting, giving you the freedom to spend the $10,000 on your most urgent operational needs. The founder of Conscious Gear used the funds for a digital marketing campaign that increased website traffic by 500%. Avanza Skin hired an SEO specialist with their grant, leading to a 10% increase in organic search purchases. Dollmaker Lashes used the capital to rebrand and launch an e-commerce platform for their new product line. These businesses combined the funding with the digital skills they learned in the prerequisite Verizon courses. When used this way, the grant acts as a growth accelerator for specific projects, rather than a method for servicing existing debt. The primary advantage of this grant is that it requires no repayment, no equity sacrifice, and zero reporting. The difficulty lies in the math. Thousands of applicants are competing for 10 awards per month. You gain 7 months of eligibility from a single application without any impact on your credit score. However, you have to navigate a web form that will delete your progress if you encounter a technical glitch. This chart shows the grant's position in the low-time, high-impact quadrant. It requires significantly less effort than a traditional bank loan, making it a viable option for busy founders. Apply if you are a solopreneur or lead a small team and need capital for a specific upgrade, such as a website redesign or a legal certification. Skip this if your business is in an immediate crisis and you need guaranteed funds to cover payroll next week. Your goal should be to extract value from the mandatory business courses first. View the $10,000 grant as a high-upside lottery ticket you receive for completing 2 hours of free education.